If you own property in Greece or are planning to buy, this is something you need to know. You don't have to wait for an inheritance to pass your property on to your children or family. In Greece, there are tax-efficient ways to transfer property during your lifetime. They are called donations and parental gifts. And today we will explain what they are, how they work, and why many families choose this route. Hi, I am Dee from Elxis at home in Greece. We are a real estate company with over 35 years of experience, and we have helped thousands of people buy property in Greece. If you'd like more practical insights on Greek real estate, then make sure to subscribe. So what is a donation? A donation in Greece is exactly what it sounds like. You transfer ownership of a property to someone else without selling it. There is no purchase price and no negotiation. It's a legal transfer completed before a notary. The recipient becomes a new owner and the transaction is registered just like a regular sale. What is a parental gift? A parental gift, known in Greek as Goniki, Parochi, is a special type of donation. It applies specifically when parents transfer property to their children. And this is where things become particularly interesting from a tax perspective. Parental gifts benefit from significantly lighter tax treatment, which is why they are by far the most common option for families in Greece. And importantly, these options are available not only to Greek citizens, but also to foreign property owners. So why do families choose this? There are several reasons. Some families want to plan ahead and avoid complicated inheritance procedures later on. Others prefer to help their children earlier in life, rather than decades down the line. And in many cases, the motivation is tax efficiency. In fact, for parents transferring property to children, Greece currently offers one of the most generous tax exemptions in Europe. So let's talk about taxes. For parental gifts from parents to children, property transfers are tax-free up to 800,000 per parent based on the objective value of the property. Only amounts above that threshold are taxed. This is a key reason why parental gifts are so widely used. However, donation and parental gift tax in Greece depends heavily on the relationship between the person giving the property and the person receiving it. Very simply, parents to children benefit from the highest tax-free threshold. Close relatives, such as siblings, grandparents, or nephews, are taxed at lower progressive rates, but with much smaller exemptions. Distant relatives or non-relatives face significantly higher tax rates, which often makes donations less attractive in those cases. So, while parental gifts can be extremely tax efficient, donations to other individuals require more careful planning. An important detail many buyers don't know. In Greece, taxes are calculated based on the objective value, not the market value. In many areas, especially outside major cities, the objective value can be considerably lower than the market price. And this can significantly affect the final tax calculation. So what does the process involve? The process of making a donation or parental gift is very similar to a standard property sale. Typically, you will need a certified engineer to check the property, an electronic property ID, all taxes declared and processed through the AAD system, a notarial deed to complete the transfer, and because this is a legal transaction, professional guidance is essential to ensure everything is done correctly. Donations and parental gifts can be powerful planning tools for property owners in Greece. They allow families to transfer wealth efficiently, reduce future complications, and in many cases, significantly lower tax exposure. If you're considering transferring property in Greece, it is important to understand the rules clearly and plan the process carefully. If you have questions or would like guidance, feel free to contact our legal department at Elxis. And if you have found this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical insights about real estate in Greece.